Hello, welcome to the Onix Tool Store installation and setup tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to install the new Onix Tool Store app for Windows version and how to perform the initial setup. Before we begin, here is an important note. The new Onix Tool Store is a separate application from the old one. It means that if you are transitioning from the old to the new app, your company must have remaining Onix Tool Store licenses. So firstly, we'll have to check if your company has sufficient Onix Tool Store licenses. As you can see in the screen, I have opened Onix Work. Go to the settings and the licenses tab. Here I can see that my company has 5 licenses in Onix Tool Store over here. Then I switch to the license usage tab, and here I can see that my company does not have any devices that have already installed Onix Tool Store. So it means I have 5 remaining licenses. And this is sufficient. Then I will proceed to install the app. This is the URL for the installation website. In this site, I will click on Get the app. Then I will open the downloaded file and initiate the install process. After the Onix Tool Store has been installed successfully, I will launch the app. So, firstly, we'll have to sign in, and you should have an Onix Work account to perform the initial setup. Then I click on sign in. The first step of the initial setup is to select the language. So I will choose English, and I will choose the company that I work for. It's Uplift. Then I will choose a location, this one, and the areas, then the device name. This will be useful when you want to identify the device that installed this Onix Tool Store. Then I click Save and the initial setup is done. Thank you for watching.